Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good, taking very good care of you. So, in today's session, I'll be explaining you the zodiac prediction for 12 sunshine as per tarot cards. So, I'll be telling you 12 राशियों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. So, let's start with Aries sunshine. एरीज यानी कि मेष राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाएगा, उन्हें क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. हियर आर द कार्ड्स: क्वीन ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, एट ऑफ वॉन्ड्स एंड द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून. इज अ वेरी गुड कार्ड फॉर Aries sunshine. So in terms of relationship, this would be a nice week for them. Relation bonding will be very good. If someone is thinking to go ahead in their relationship, they can go ahead. It's good week for them. And whoever is single, ready to mingle, universe is working for you to get the partner, and you will be getting some kind of signal this week. And single will have infatuation too. So overall, in the terms of love and relationship, Aries will have very good week. And in terms of money and career, Aries has good week. Big changes will be coming in your way. If you are thinking to start something new to earn money, this is the good week to start. But I would say avoid high risk in the investment. Overspending will be there, so just take care of your finances. And in terms of health, मेष राशि वालों के लिए कुछ नरम गरम सा रहेगा ये वीक. So this is the signal from universe. You have to take more care of you. Just start some kind of activities, exercise, breathing activity. Just do something more for your good health. लेट्स मूव टू नेक्स्ट सनशाइन, टॉरस यानी कि वृषभ राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है. 25 to 1st May, and the card is here: the Page of Cups, the Hermit, and the Eight of Wands reverse card. So in terms of relationship and love, Taurus will feel lonely today, especially singles, and whoever is in relationship, you people need to spend quality time with each other, but you are focused on doing your own work. अपने पार्टनर में भी थोड़ा ध्यान दीजिए, वरना टॉरस राशि वालों आपका झगड़ा हो सकता है. The Page of Cups represent the possibility of the romantic proposal. If you are single and have a secret crush on someone, it can signify that you need to let them know so you can take chance today. So in terms of money and career, दोनों प्रोस्पेक्ट्स में आप थोड़ा डिससेटिस्फाइड रहेंगे, बट आई वुड से डोंट बी सो मच नेगेटिव. कल अच्छा होगा, कीप पॉजिटिव, डोंट इन्वेस्ट सो मच in the terms of money. The Page of Cups shows that you can get news in terms of good news in terms of money and career. On the health perspective, still I would say वृषभ राशि वालों थोड़ा मन को शांत रखें, otherwise it will impact on your health. The Page of Cup usually indicates, and if you are looking for test result and some test result is coming back with the result you want. So the health perspective, try to keep yourself positive today. So next sunshine is the Gemini यानी कि मिथुन राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है. So here are the cards for them: the Wheel of Fortune reverse, Four of Swords, and the Devil reverse. So in terms of love and relationship, you people will feel some kind of stuck feeling. It's not working, but it's not the case. Ups and down happens in life, and don't break today. It is just moving from one phase of a relationship to another. And whoever is a single, do not allow fear about being single. Think positive and stay positive. In terms of money and career, you will have some kind of idea that how you can improve your work. Maybe you will be feeling stuck in your job as well due to financial constraint, but also show there will be a big picture for you in future. Start refocusing what is going to make you happy and fulfill your dream, and that indicates you will feel much pressure in your week. Mithun Rashi walon, sit back and take deep breath and say all is well. And in terms of health, if you have harmful habits, stop it today. This week you will have high determination to withdraw this kind of habits. Stay strong. It is also signifies that you will start overcome from your stress. Don't create anxiety and be calm this week. नेक्स्ट सनशाइन इज कैंसर. कैंसर यानी कि कर्क राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है. सो हियर आर द कार्ड्स फॉर देम. द पेज ऑफ कप्स, द थ्री ऑफ स्वॉर्ड रिवर्स एंड द पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड्स रिवर्स. सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ लव एंड रिलेशनशिप, कर्क राशि वालों, you are having some kind of heart ache from the past which you have got and you need to move on. Three of swords shows that you are in pain and unwilling to let them go. It would say move on and be happy. Don't push anybody to for the commitment. In terms of money and career is mixed this week. You will have some kind of financial loss. Card is suggesting that you please come out from the past. You need to accept your situation and begin to the real step to improve it. It indicates that you have idea to grow but you don't know how to accomplish your idea. So just start focusing how you can accomplish your idea. And in terms of health, there will be a lack of energy in terms of your mental health, not in terms of your physical health. You are in fear and you are thinking that मुझे कोरोना तो नहीं हो जाएगा. Cancerian people, just take good care of you. आपको कुछ नहीं होगा. Do not allow fear in you. Just take good care of you. नेक्स्ट सनशाइन इज लियो. लियो यानी कि सिंह राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है फ्रॉम 25 अप्रैल टू 1 मई. सो हियर आर द कार्ड्स फॉर देम. द सन रिवर्स, द टू ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स रिवर्स एंड द व्हील ऑफ फॉर्चून. Wheel of Fortune is indicating a good sign for you. In terms of love and relationship, married people will have good bonding with your partner, and whoever is in relationship, they'll feel that they are left out in the cold by your partner. Try to focus positive things. Just stop thinking negatively, Leo people. And for single, I would say avoid one-on-one meeting with your partner until you feel more comfortable. And in terms of money and career, this week will be mixed for you and you need to be practical and just keep balanced approach, and you will feel drained out from your job. You will feel that you have worked for many hours and not asked for time off. So just keep patience, I would say. In terms of health, you will not be ill, but your emotion can make you fall sick. So don't think negative and go ahead. अगली राशि है वर्गो. वर्गो यानी कि कन्या. कन्या राशि वालों के लिए नेक्स्ट वीक कैसा जाने वाला है फ्रॉम 25 अप्रैल टू 1 मई. हियर are the cards for them. The Fool, the Four of Wands reverse card and the Sun reverse card. So in terms of love and relationship, it's a good card for you. Kanya Rashi walon, there is a impulsive and the carefree romance in your card, but be careful not to miss true love. It is especially for singles, and whoever is already in relationship is a mixed card for you people. You will have bit unhappiness with your partner this week. Says be patient is a mixed card for you, not that much bad. In terms of money and career, opportunity knocks at your door. You will have good opportunity in this week, and financially, if you take the chance and work hard, you will make more than you thought you would. and the current is not going good, but the next week, the coming days are very good for you. From the health perspective, you will have energy today, but it shows new beginning. So if you get the Fool card in the health prospect, be extra careful. It can also represent pregnancy, as it represents a new beginning in life. नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक इज लिब्रा. लिब्रा यानी कि तुला. तुला राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है फ्रॉम 25 अप्रैल टू 1 मई. हियर आर द कार्ड्स फॉर देम. द नाइट ऑफ कप्स, द 4 ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स रिवर्स कार्ड एंड द 8 ऑफ स्वॉर्ड्स रिवर्स कास्ट. लिब्रा वालों के लिए तो ये वीक अमेजिंग है. बल्ले बल्ले है आपकी in every manner. Relationship, love, money, career, health, everything seems to be good. If you are single or in a relationship, the card is amazing for you. Whatever your heart says, go for it. You will definitely get success in this week. And the commitment is there, romance is there, emotional support is there, everything is there for you in this week. And यदि अभी आज तक यदि आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टीज थी रिलेशनशिप में, सो नाउ यू आर गेटिंग ओवरकम फ्रॉम इट, एंड फ्रॉम टुडे इट विल बी ऑसम. In terms of money and career, this is also a good card, and the good news you will be getting. You were waiting since long time. You will be getting the good news about your job or any application which you have submitted. The result of that application will be coming, and definitely it would be successful. You will have free mind at your workplace. You will have much easier time to work today at your workplace. And from the health perspective, good and positive day for you people. If you are waiting for any test result, kind of pregnancy result, or any kind of medical report, so that would be positive. In a positive manner, mean to say it would be good, not a COVID positive report you will be getting. In a good manner you will be getting. It's a good day for you, Libra people. Take care of yourself. Okay, let's move to Scorpio. Scorpio यानी कि वृश्चिक राशि. वृश्चिक राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसे जाने वाला है from 25th April to 1st May. So here is the card, the 4 of Wands reverse card, the Queen of Wands, and the 6 of Cups reverse card. So this week you have got 2 reverse cards, that is giving mixed result. And in terms of love and relationship, you will be feeling some kind of insecurity, negligence, unhappy feeling will be there. You'll feel some lack of passion in your relationship. There is boredom. If you are single, the 6 of Cups saying that you are ready to put your past relationship behind you, move on to the something better. So overall, it's a mixed week for relationship. Just keep patience and wait for your good time. So in the terms of money and career, work environment is not that much pleasant and supportive. You may have trouble to coordinate with your colleague. Financial point of view, you need to plan and have to do proper management for your financials. Currently there is lack of planning, due to that the budget is getting unbalanced. If you are living with your family and if you want to be financially independent, so this week you will get some kind of idea, you can implement that idea and you can go ahead. In terms of health, this week is not that much good. If you are planning for baby, just avoid this week. You can go ahead next week. नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक इज सेजिटेरियस. सेजिटेरियस यानी कि धनु राशि. धनु राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है फ्रॉम 25th April to 1st May. Here are the cards for them, the 3 of Swords, the Tower, and the Hanged Man. So these are not that much good card for you people in prospect of relationship, love and health and the career aspect as well too. And this indicates there will be conflicts today in your relationship. You need to sit down with your partner and have an open and honest discussion. It is indicating that there is some difficulty issue that need to be addressed. If you have, go ahead and sort it. Believe me, the relation will be changed significantly if you will do this. And the hangman indicates that you may be unhappy with the way your relationship is going at this moment. But believe me, just do this and sit with your partner and discuss with her or him. There will be solution and the things will be sorted. And same I can see in the money and the career perspective. You are experiencing conflicts in the workplace too, and try to have a respectful, open, honest conversation with your boss. And I'm sure definitely you will be getting any solution and you will be in better position after this discussion. So I would say don't feel uncertain uncertainty in your job. Just discuss this and you can sort it. And in the health perspective, card is showing that your health or the health of someone you care about may not as great as you would hope. You will experience a level of sadness with regards to them. And if you are facing the health issue, the hangman is saying that allow all the option this time to heal rather than frustrating. So just take care of yourself, keep positivity in your mind and go ahead. हमारी अगली राशि है कैप्रिकॉन। कैप्रिकॉन यानी कि मकर राशि। मकर राशि वालों के लिए ये वीक कैसा जाने वाला है? Here are the cards for them: the Four of Wands, Three of Cup reversed, and the Tower. So in terms of relationship and love, for singles, the short-term relationship is coming in your way this week, and it won't last for a long time, dear. The relationship may be a joy of to begin, but it will quickly fizzle out. It can also interact with the reunion. कोई पुराना बंदा आपको मिल सकता है या मिल सकती है. If you are already in relationship, so there is some kind of negativity I can see in the card. It can signify that someone is trying to cause trouble in your relationship. And whoever is married, you will have happy family. And in terms of money and career, people will pretend good in front of you, but in back they are not good. So judge those people and stay away from them. Financially, it's a mixed week for you. Don't take stress on any cancellation of deal. And happy environment will be there in the team right now, but there is backbiting. In terms of health, it is showing that you will be overindulging and partying too much. So Three of Cups, it's saying that take care of your health. Don't do so much party. The environment is not good outside. Good health is there for you, but don't exert yourself. नेक्स्ट zodiac is Aquarius. Aquarius यानी कि कुंभ राशि। कुंभ राशि वालों के लिए 25 अप्रैल टू 1 मई कैसा जाने वाला है? Here are the cards for them: the Wheel of Fortune, the Six of Cups reversed, and the Five of Swords reversed. So here the Wheel of Fortune is the very positive card that is leading here. And in terms of love and relationship, initially you will be feeling a bit bored and the lack of passion just because of Five of Swords and the reverse Six of Cups. But the later week you will be getting good bonding with your relation and the married people will have good bonding with their partner, and single this week you will move on from your past and behind, and you will be looking good ahead. So this is overall mix, but better card for them in the terms of love and relationship. And in the money and career terms, you will like to do something creative this week. It is showing that you are becoming financially independent. And if someone is looking for a job, they'll get some clue this week. Uh, the financially independency signal I can see in these cards. And Aquarian will have fear this week from the competitive environment, whoever is in sales, PR, stockbroking. So थोड़ा डरेंगे टारगेट को लेके कि पूरा होगा कि नहीं होगा. So this is all about the money and career. And in terms of health, I would suggest control your stress this week. Don't be over pressure yourself. See, as I just told you, in the career perspective, you will be feeling bit fear in the competitive environment. Don't take it as a pressure. Just be calm. Everything will be fine. Otherwise, if you will take stress, otherwise this will lead to major issue this week, the serious injuries, and while playing aggressive. So whatever you are doing, just be calm, don't be so much aggressive this week. So here is our last zodiac prediction, Pisces यानी कि मीन राशि वालों. मीन राशि वालों का ये वीक फ्रॉम 25th April to 1st May के लिए कार्ड्स आर हियर. 7 of Pentacles and the King of Cups and the 8 of Cups. So all are reversed cards. Cards are saying something to you. You may be unhappy in your relationship. You may be doing great job to appear to the outside world to be happy in your relationship, while on the inside this have become monotonous. So don't pretend so much good. Just work on your inner soul. Whatever the issues are there in your relationship, try to sort it. That would be better for you. Your partner is becoming emotionally unstable, and that is causing problem in your relationship. One of you may be going through a tough time and may not be treating the other with the love and the kindness they deserve, but you will have to work on it. You may need a bit time of me time. You need a break. You both need a break in the relationship. Just give some time to you, to yourself and your partner, and try to sort the things, but don't pretend fake good in front of world. And in the money and the career perspective, if you are not happy in your current job and afraid to change, don't be afraid. And the 8 of Cups is reverse. 8 of Cups is showing that there is hope. If you will find the option, definitely you will get that option. And this week seems you may have to deal with cold or emotionally unstable people in your workplace. ना चाहते हुए भी you will have to work with them, but it's okay. It will not have your uh, it will not harm you, and just for the time being they will be there. So just be positive and go ahead. And in the health perspective, मीन राशि वालों इतना नेगेटिव मत सोचो. You have the power to improve your health. Your card is showing that you are thinking so much negative in terms of health issues. Taking up exercise and letting go of the things in your life and that are causing you undue stress, and definitely that will affect your health. You are putting so much effort, but it's not paying. I agree. As per you, you are putting so much efforts, but it's okay, the time will come for you. But poor health is due to your habit and behavior. Just try to change this and take care of yourself.